When it comes to software, Matt Leshber, founder of 1836 Property Management in Austin, Texas, doesn't want to latch onto technology that doesn't last. He wants something that reflects his own company values, reliability and transparency, with solid features that take care of the company's core business functions. But he's also looking for flexibility, software he can tailor to his unique business needs. And if he can't find it, he'll build it out himself. That's why when Leschber was looking for property management software to help him manage his growing portfolio, he turned to Buildium's property management software and its open API.
Buildium was originally and has been a foundational piece for us. The thing I love about it is that it's transparent for everyone. I want to be transparent on everything. I want the clients to see what we see. The fact that we can upload invoices, they can see everything real time, 24/7 worldwide. And that speaks to integrity for me.
And when he needed to grow his tech stack, Buildium's open API helped him integrate all of his software to manage workflows, communication, and investment KPIs, and deliver on the client and tenant experience he envisioned. Before Leschber brought on Buildium, he was looking for a reliable software solution that could handle core processes. He was also looking for something with an open API that could integrate his workflow software and, down the road, his communication tools. For instance, Leschber's team has built out a customized workflow for each of their leasing processes. They use Monday.com to map out workflows for move-in and move-out and lease signing, among others. There are several steps and multiple points that trigger an automated message to tenants and owners, letting them know exactly where they are in the leasing process, as well as the very specific steps they need to take to move to the next stage. Because the entire process is highly customized for his owners, Leschber needed a way to accomplish that with a custom integration that would pull owner and tenant data into the workflow.
It's not just can you manage properties, it's can you run a business that manages properties. And so if you don't have the processes for your team to follow, it's fine if you can remember everything on sticky notes, but then you hire someone. What are they supposed to do? How do you know if they did it? How do you know how quickly they did it? Now scale that.
Leschber also needed something that could keep up with the speed at which he wanted to build out a fully integrated tech stack, and flexible enough to help him tailor it to his company's goal to stay on the cutting edge in their market. That included the ability to provide services such as property investment advice to his clients.
We've got to raise up the bar for the industry and start talking about the investment potential instead of we clean toilets. It lowers who they think we are, it lowers our value, and so we've got to rise up to that.
With Buildium's open API, Leschber has been able to integrate Monday.com with his leasing data.
We're able to pull in data points, whether it's the lease start date, the lease end date, names of people, their contact information, any data point that we can pull in from Buildium, we can then utilize in Monday as part of that workflow so that we can not only know what we're doing, but also automate things on the back end, such as emails.
Leschber has also added a level of automation to his workflows. At various points in each process, stakeholders, whether they are prospective tenants, current tenants, or owners, get a progress update and reminders of steps they need to take.
Remember, over 80% of single families are owned by mom and pop. So they don't do this all the time. They're scared, they're anxious. This is one of the largest investments people will ever make. They live out of state and they're giving it to you.
The Open API has also allowed Leschber to build out his own investment software that tracks asset performance as well, which he has integrated with Buildium. It tracks the performance of investment properties for his clients in real time. Now, Leschber says he can make sure everyone, his staff, his owners, and his tenants, is on track, leading to lower attrition and allowing his company to, in his words, grow better, faster, leaner.
Buildium gives us the foundation we need to be able to connect to those other softwares. That foundation allows us to then grow, scale, and add on anything we need.